fleeting market opportunities, let Scalp Slayer Strategy help you lock them in precisely with innovative momentum identification technology, intelligent noise filtering, and automatic price acceleration signal capture, striking only at the critical breaking point for instant victory. Hello everyone, welcome to the Inventor Strategy Selection channel. Many short-term trading enthusiasts face this frustration. In a rapidly changing market, opportunities are right in front of you, but can't precisely capture the real breakout moment. Short-term trading requires long hours watching charts, and when your eyes get bloodshot and energy depleted, you miss the best entry times due to fatigue. Or maybe you spot the right direction but get tormented by fake breakouts and pullbacks. You enter and stop out, then the price takes off right after you exit. Even more frustrating is not knowing how to identify true momentum breakout signals, often realizing trends too late and chasing highs or selling lows. The end result? You see opportunities but can't execute properly. You execute properly but can't hold positions, and precise entries remain just imagination. The Scalp Slayer strategy was born to solve these core pain points. You no longer need to get lost in complex technical analysis or worry about false signals. The core philosophy is, rather than searching for answers in constantly changing indicators, return to the most essential price momentum patterns, and let the strategy precisely identify every decisive moment worth trading. The core of the Scalp Slayer strategy lies in innovatively combining traditional trading elements to build a simple yet efficient short-term trading system. The strategy operates based on three core mechanisms. First, it uses momentum acceleration identification technology that not only observes the direction of consecutive candles, but crucially analyzes the increasing changes in candle body sizes to precisely capture the key transition point from accumulation to breakout. Second, it employs a dynamic true-range filter to screen out low-volatility signals, keeping only trading opportunities with sufficient momentum. Finally, it incorporates EMA trend filtering to ensure trading direction aligns with the overall trend. The innovation lies in combining traditional candlestick analysis with quantitative filters and designing an automated risk management system that includes target price and stop-loss settings based on recent highs and lows. In practice, the strategy is designed for traders seeking high efficiency and precision in short-term trading, capable of continuously identifying high-probability opportunities in complex and changing market environments, truly achieving intelligent, precise trading where every move is well-founded. The Scalp Slayer strategy parameters show high flexibility and adjustability. First is the filter number with a default value of 1.5, which determines strategy sensitivity. This parameter is actually a multiplier used to adjust response to market volatility. Setting a higher value makes the strategy more selective, triggering trades only when strong breakout signals appear, while lower values capture more trading opportunities, but may include more false signals. Next is the EMA trend period with default value of 50, which determines the EMA period used for trend filtering. This parameter directly affects directional judgment. Longer periods produce more stable trend signals but react slower, while shorter periods do the opposite. The lookback period parameter determines the range for calculating recent highs and lows, directly affecting stop-loss and take-profit placement. There are also three display control parameters. Show buy labels controls buy signal label display, show sell labels controls sell signal label display, and show strategy controls overall display during strategy testing. Finally, two color parameters help visually distinguish take profit and stop loss markers on the chart. These parameter combinations form the strategy framework, and by adjusting them, traders can optimize strategy performance based on different market environments and personal risk preferences. The Scalp Slayer strategy shows unique innovative thinking in its indicator definitions. First, it uses true range, the difference between the current candle's high and low, a simple but effective volatility measure that quickly captures instant market changes. Next, the strategy innovatively creates a dynamic filter EMA by applying a 50-period EMA to TR and multiplying it by the filter number. This design allows the filter to automatically adjust thresholds based on recent market volatility instead of using static fixed values, an important improvement over traditional ATR filtering methods. Then there is the trend EMA used to determine overall market direction, ensuring trades go with the trend. Finally, the strategy calculates the highest price recent high and lowest price recent low within the lookback period, which will be used to set target prices and stop-loss positions. This dynamic target setting method based on recent highs and lows aligns better with market structure than fixed percentage targets, adapting better to different volatility environments. The entire indicator system seems simple, but contains deep market insights, capturing the most important market features with minimal calculations. The signal generation mechanism of the Scalp Slayer strategy is its most ingenious part, precisely capturing key market ignition points through carefully designed condition combinations. Buy signals require multiple conditions. First, price must be above the trend EMA, ensuring alignment with the overall uptrend. Second, 3 consecutive bullish candles must appear, indicating continuous buying pressure. Third, these candles must show a specific momentum acceleration pattern, where each subsequent candle body close minus open must be larger than the previous one, showing increasing buying pressure. Fourth, closing prices must continuously rise, forming a clear upward sequence. Finally, the current candle's true range must exceed the dynamic filter EMA, ensuring sufficient market volatility supports the trade. Sell signals follow the opposite logic, requiring price below the trend EMA, 3 consecutive bearish candles, and meeting the same momentum acceleration and volatility requirements. The innovation in this signal generation approach is that it not only focuses on price direction but particularly emphasizes the rate of change in momentum acceleration. Most traditional strategies only focus on momentum itself, ignoring the acceleration process, yet market ignition points often form during momentum acceleration phases. This ingenious design allows the Scalp Slayer strategy to capture high-quality entry opportunities in the early stages of new trend formation. The entry execution logic of the Scalp Slayer strategy fully reflects core short-term trading characteristics and strict discipline. First, it defines 6 key variables to store trade status: entry price long and entry price short, record long and short entry prices, target price long and target price short, set profit targets, and stop loss long and stop loss short determine stop loss positions. These variables start with NA values, indicating no current positions. When a buy signal triggers and the candle is confirmed, the strategy uses current price as entry price. For take profit and stop loss points, the strategy uses dynamic targets based on market price structure, setting the highest point within the look-back period as the target price and the lowest point as the stop loss. This design matches the essence of short-term trading, using market volatility ranges for quick entries and exits. Unlike traditional fixed percentage risk-reward ratios, this method bases each trade's profit-loss ratio on actual market structure, typically achieving 1.5 to 3 times risk-reward ratios, perfectly matching the short-term trading profit model of small losses and larger wins. Sell signal execution follows similar, but opposite logic, setting the lowest point as the target and highest point as stop loss, ensuring short trades follow the same strict price structure discipline. Using bar status confirmed shows the strategy's strict execution requirements, only executing trades after candles are fully confirmed, avoiding impulsive entries common in short-term trading, and ensuring each entry is a rational decision based on complete signals. The exit mechanism of the Scalp Slayer strategy divides into profit-taking exits and stop-loss exits, showing strict discipline and the core idea of small losses and bigger wins. Before executing exit operations, the strategy defines 4 key exit trigger signals that form the core judgment conditions for the entire exit mechanism. Signal buy TP print determines long position profit-taking timing, requiring an existing long position with current price at or above target price. Signal sell TP print determines short position profit-taking timing, requiring an existing short position with current price at or below target price. Signal buy SL print and signal sell SL print determines stop-loss exit timing, requiring existing positions with price breaking below or above stop-loss levels. The profit-taking mechanism shows the trading wisdom of letting profits run without being greedy. Unlike entries, exits don't require bar state is confirmed confirmation, executing immediately when price reaches the market structure-based target price. This design avoids a common short-term trading mistake, holding profitable positions hoping for bigger gains, only to lose profits when the market reverses. The stop-loss exit mechanism demonstrates the most important risk control principle. When price reaches the structure-based stop-loss level, the strategy executes the stop-loss without hesitation, strictly controlling losses within preset ranges. This stop-loss setting usually keeps single trade losses within a controllable range, matching the risk management requirement of small losses and big wins. After each exit, the strategy immediately resets all relevant variables, clearing trade status, and preparing for the next trade. The entire exit mechanism achieves stable positive expected returns through strict discipline, accumulating frequent small profits that exceed infrequent larger losses. The visualization component of the Scalp Slayer strategy is well designed, providing traders with clear visual feedback. First, the strategy draws eye-catching labels at buy and sell signal trigger points, with green buy labels below candles for buy signals and red sell labels above candles for sell signals. This design lets traders directly identify entry points on the chart, without repeatedly checking indicator panels. For profit-taking exit points, the strategy uses orange flags marked TP take profit, while stop-loss trigger points use red X marks. This differentiated visual presentation makes different types of exit points immediately recognizable. Notably, the strategy also draws the trend EMA line, recent high and low lines on the chart, clearly showing overall trend direction and visually displaying the support and resistance levels the strategy references. These visual elements provide crucial market structure reference points for traders. Together, these visual elements form a complete trading decision system, allowing traders not only to see signals, but also understand the market structure principles behind them. As a complete short-term quantitative trading system, the Scalp Slayer strategy shows unique advantages in automated trading environments. Its best application scenarios focus on clear trend acceleration phases, especially the momentum breakout periods after price breaks important resistance or support levels, when the strategy can automatically identify and capture these high-probability opportunities through strict signal conditions. In high-volatility market environments such as during major news releases or extreme market sentiment changes, the strategy's dynamic filtering mechanism effectively screens out signals with real trading value, avoiding being misled by market noise. However, the nature of quantitative trading requires us to pay attention to usage precautions in unclear trend or range-bound markets. The strategy may generate frequent false signals leading to consecutive stop losses, so you need to adjust strategy parameters based on market environment judgment. Also monitor automated execution quality, regularly checking signal frequency and success rates in different market states to avoid over-relying on algorithms while ignoring fundamental market changes. For advanced applications, the strategy can be set up for multi-timeframe signal confirmation, executing trades when multiple timeframes show signals in the same direction, significantly improving signal quality and success rate. You also need to adjust filter parameters for different trading instruments based on their volatility characteristics, using higher filter values for high volatility instruments to control risk. After comprehensive evaluation across quantitative trading dimensions, this strategy shows mature systematic design and excellent real-world performance. In terms of completeness, the strategy builds a comprehensive quantitative trading framework, including clear signal generation logic, strict entry conditions, complete risk control mechanisms, and automated exit execution. All key variables have clear definitions and state management, forming a closed-loop trading system. It fully meets all requirements for programmatic trading, earning an excellent rating of 4.3. The risk management design shows highly intelligent characteristics, determining take-profit and stop-loss positions through dynamic market structure, avoiding fixed ratio rigidity problems. It also uses multiple filtering conditions to ensure signal quality, effectively controlling false signal risk. These designs reflect mature risk management thinking, scoring 4.1. For adaptability, the strategy performs excellently in clear trend markets, but may generate more false signals in sideways or range-bound markets, needing stronger filtering mechanisms for signal judgment. Overall flexibility is moderate, earning 3.5. Understandability is a standout advantage, with clear code structure, distinct logical layers, explicit parameter meanings, and effective technical indicator combinations. Even quantitative trading beginners can quickly understand and deploy it, earning a high rating of 4.4. Innovation appears in the momentum acceleration identification technology, analyzing increasing changes in consecutive candle body sizes to judge market momentum states. This method is more sensitive and precise than traditional momentum indicators, providing new ideas for quantitative trading, scoring 3.8. Practicality assessment shows the strategy is completely suitable for automated deployment, with clear signals, simple execution, and controllable risk, especially suited for quantitative traders seeking stable returns, scoring 4.2. Combining all dimensions, this strategy earns an overall rating of 4.0. Its greatest value lies in building an efficient, complete short-term trading system through innovative combinations of simple technical indicators. Note that any strategy needs to match a trader's personal style to maximize effectiveness, so traders should conduct thorough backtesting and simulation trading before live trading.